Hello, dear children. I welcome each one of you to this class of English skills. Today, I have an activity for you, and that is to check your spellings. The first one is an example. Just follow the rules, what you are supposed to do. Okay, now there are three options here. Three spellings for a word. The word here is decided. Okay, you have to choose which is the correct spelling. And then note it in your book. Once you have noted, I will show you the answer. If it is right, you will give yourself 1 point. Got it? So now the word here is decided. You have to select the correct spelling. Once you have selected, I will show you the answer. The second option is the correct spelling. If you have written this correctly, that means you have scored 1 point. Now after this, I'll give you a sentence and you have to write the same word in that blank but without seeing the spelling. So Saurabh dash to help his friend in his studies. The word decided, that you have to fill in the blank. Saurabh decided to help his friend in his studies. But I want you to write the answer without seeing. I hope you have written. So now it is Saurabh decided to help his friend in his studies. Check the spelling of the word decided that you have written for the sentence. If it's correct, then you will get 1 point. That means each word will bear 2 points. So the word, for the first example, the word was decided and the marks were 2 points. Okay, fine. Have you understood? So now we've got 15 more such words. Okay, so I hope you've understood how to go about it. So shall we begin this exercise? Okay, so let's begin. The word is strength. Make a note which of these three options is the correct one. Okay, now let's check the answer and see whether you have marked the correct one. And the correct spelling is the second option, S-T-R-E-N-G-T-H, strength. The word is strength. If you've got it right, give yourself 1 point. Otherwise, it's 0. Now let's use it in a sentence. The weak boy gained strength after he was put on a healthy diet. Now you're going to write the word strength without seeing. The weak boy gained strength after he was put on a healthy diet. Have you written down? Okay, the answer is the weak boy gained strength. Check the spelling of strength. If you have written it right, you will get 1 point. So that means the word strength. If you have written both the answers correctly, you will score 2 points. Okay, now the second word. Joyful. The word here is joyful. Which of this is right? Make a note. And the answer is the first option. J-O-Y-F-U-L. Joyful. Right? Okay, let's use it in a sentence. The children became joyful when they learned that they would be going for a picnic. Okay, now you're going to write the word write the word joyful in that blank without seeing the correct spelling. And now you cross check it with the answer here. The children became joyful. Now, if this is right, you will give 1 point here. Now you're going to do the third word, joyfully. Which of this is right? The third option. The third option is right. And the sentence, Arman jumped joyfully when he saw his elder brother at the station. Write the word without seeing. Now check whether you have written it correctly. Arman jumped joyfully when he saw his elder brother at the station. Give points to yourself accordingly. If you have written incorrect spelling, give 0. If it's right, give 1 point each. The next word, patience. Which of this is right? Tick the correct option. 1, 2 or 3. And the answer is the first one. Now the sentence, Selena exhibits lot of patience when dealing with a fussy sister. Write the correct spelling of patience here. Selena exhibits lot of patience when dealing with a fussy sister. Check your answer. Selena exhibits lot of patience when dealing with a fussy sister. The next word, suddenly. Which is the correct answer? Have you marked your options? Okay, the answer is the third one, suddenly. The third option is the correct spelling. Let's use it in a sentence. Suddenly, the children started shouting loudly. Come on, write down the spelling without seeing. Suddenly, the children started shouting loudly. Correct yourself. Make the correction. Check your answer and give yourself points accordingly. Next word, create. Tick the correct options. Answer is the second option. Okay, now let's use it in a sentence. The student got ready to create a tower for the new project. Write the spelling without seeing. The student got ready to create a tower for the new project. I hope you've got this right. It was very simple. The next word, perfect. Tick the correct option. And the answer is the first one, P-E-R-F-E-C-T, perfect. Okay, let's see the sentence. Sarah has given the perfect answer to this question. Sarah has given the perfect answer to this question. Sarah has given the perfect answer to this question. The spelling is P-E-R-F-E-C-T, perfect answer to this question. Next one, celebrate. Celebrate. Have you marked the option? The answer is the third one, C-E-L-E-B-R-A-T-E, celebrate. Use it in the option sentence. The family decided to celebrate Rohan's birthday with the soccer team. Fill that blank with the word celebrate without seeing the correct spelling. Once you have written, cross-check it with the answer here. Celebrate. Next word. Ponder. Have you marked the option? And the answer is P-O-N-D-E-R. The first option is the correct spelling. Okay, now the sentence. Let us all ponder over the points highlighted by the speaker. Write down the spelling of ponder. And now cross-check it with this particular word that is shown here. Let us all ponder. P-O-N-D-E-R. Ponder. Truly. Which is the correct option? The second one. T-R-U-L-Y. Truly. True is T-R-U-E, but truly is T-R-U-L-Y. Truly. Please make a note of that. Okay, now let's use it in a sentence. Our triumphant football team truly deserves a grand celebration. Check your answer. Truly, T-R-U-L-Y. Accordingly, give yourself points. Amazing. Which is the correct option? The first, second, or the third one? Have you marked? Okay, let's check the answer. The second one. A-M-A-Z-I-N-G. Amazing. Let's use it in a sentence. The leader gave an amazing speech. Write down the spelling without seeing. Amazing. And now cross-check it with this answer. The leader gave an amazing speech. Okay. Better. Which is the correct option? Have you done the marking? Okay, let's check the answer. The second one. B-E-T-T-E-R. Better. The patient felt better after the treatment. Write on the spelling there, better. Now check it with this answer given here. The patient felt better, B-E-T-T-E-R, after the treatment. Tried, which is the correct answer? The first one, T-R-I-E-D, tried. Now let's use it in a sentence. The students tried hard to win the competition. The students tried hard to win this competition. Have you written the correct spelling? Okay, now accordingly give yourself marks. Caught, which is the right option? The second one. Let's use it in a sentence. The police has caught the culprit. Write down the spelling without seeing. And now cross-check with the answer. The police has caught the culprit. Teacher, which is the right spelling? Which is the correct option? The third one. Okay, now the sentence. Our teacher told us a beautiful story. Check your word whether you have written it correctly. Okay, now we are done with the competition. I hope many of you have got full 30 on 30. There were 15 words. So, if not, you need to practice because practice makes one perfect. So, I hope you have enjoyed this exercise. Thank you so much.